How to use the multiple replace feature. To begin, I opened a subtitle. I have some words that I want to change at once. For example, I type dream instead of dream. Just go to Edit and select Replace. This is for when you want to replace. Here you can put your misspelled word and the word you want to replace and click on Replace All button. But instead of doing this, let's use another way. Just go to Edit and click on Multiple Replace. Here put your misspelled word and the replacement word and click on Add to add it to the dictionary. I have another word too and I just add that to the dictionary too. Here you can see a list of lines where these words occurred and will be modified. Now just click on Apply and OK buttons. And now these words are replaced in my subtitles. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.